Have you ever started your washing machine, selected a cycle, and noticed that the washer is not filling with water? Or maybe the washer is filling with water, but it never seems to stop. One of the parts that could be causing the problem is the washing machine water inlet valve. What is a washing machine water inlet valve? The water inlet valve is an electrical and mechanical component that controls the flow of water into your washing machine. It is usually located at the back of the washer, where the household water supply hoses connect to the machine. Most washing machines have two water connections, one for hot water, one for cold water. Inside the valve are electrically controlled solenoids. When the washing machine needs water, the control board sends electrical power to the appropriate solenoid. The solenoid opens the valve, allowing water to enter the washer. When the washer has enough water, the electrical power is removed and the valve closes. What does the water inlet valve do? The main job of the water inlet valve is to control when water enters the washing machine. Depending on the cycle and the temperature selected, the washer can activate the hot water valve, the cold water valve, or both. For example, if you select a cold water wash, the control system may energize the cold water solenoid. The valve opens, and water flows through the hose and into the washer. Once the machine has reached the correct water level, the valve closes and stops the water flow. So you can think of the water inlet valve as a controlled door for the water supply. When the washer tells it to open, water comes in. When the washer tells it to close, the water stops. What is its main function? The main function of the washing machine water inlet valve is to regulate and control the incoming water supply. It has to do three important things: allow water to enter the washer when commanded, control which water supply is being used, such as hot or cold, shut off the water flow when the washer no longer needs water. Without a properly working water inlet valve, the washing machine may not be able to fill correctly. How do you know if the water inlet valve has stopped working? There are several symptoms that can indicate a problem with the water inlet valve. The washer doesn't fill with water. One of the most common symptoms is that you start the washer, but no water enters the machine. You may hear the washer operating, but there is no water flowing. This could be caused by a bad inlet valve, but don't immediately assume the valve is defective. First, check that the household water supply is turned on and that the water hoses aren't kinked. You should also check the inlet screens for dirt or debris. If the water supply is good and the valve is receiving the proper electrical signal but doesn't open, the inlet valve may be defective. The washer only gets hot or cold water. Another common problem is when the washer fills with only hot water or only cold water. For example, you select a cold water cycle, but the washer doesn't seem to be getting cold water. If one side of the inlet valve has failed, the washer may still be able to use the other side. This can make the problem a little confusing because the washer may still fill with water, just not correctly. The washer fills very slowly. If the washer takes a very long time to fill, there could be a restriction in the water supply. Check the hoses and the small screens where the hoses connect to the inlet valve. These screens can become clogged with sediment or debris. A restricted screen can reduce the amount of water entering the washer. If the water supply and screens are clear but the valve still doesn't allow enough water through, the inlet valve may need to be replaced. Water keeps entering the washer. This is another important symptom. If the washing machine is turned off but water continues flowing into the tub, the inlet valve may be stuck open. Normally, when the valve is not energized, it should remain closed. If the internal valve mechanism becomes stuck or fails, water can continue entering the machine. If this happens, turn off the household water supply to the washing machine until the problem is repaired. How can you test the water inlet valve? There are several ways to diagnose an inlet valve. Inspect the water supply hoses and make sure the water is turned on. Inspect the inlet screens for blockage. You can also use a multimeter to test the electrical portion of the valve. With the washing machine unplugged, disconnect the appropriate wires from the valve and check the resistance of the solenoid according to the manufacturer's specifications. The exact resistance value can vary depending on the washer model, so it's important to use the specifications for your particular machine. If the solenoid is electrically open or otherwise outside the manufacturer's specifications, the valve may be defective. However, remember that an electrical test alone doesn't always prove that the valve is mechanically working properly. A valve can have an electrically good solenoid but still have a mechanical problem. Important safety reminder: before working on a washing machine, unplug the machine from the electrical outlet and shut off the water supply when necessary. Water and electricity can be dangerous together. If you're not comfortable testing electrical components, it's best to have a qualified appliance technician perform the diagnosis. So what is the washing machine water inlet valve? It's the component that controls the flow of water into your washing machine. Its main function is to open and close the water supply when commanded by the washer's control system. And some common signs of a problem include: the washer doesn't fill. The washer fills with only hot or only cold water. The washer fills very slowly. Or water continues flowing into the washer when it shouldn't. If you're experiencing one of these problems, don't automatically replace the inlet valve. Check the water supply, hoses, inlet screens, electrical connections, and the washer's control system before replacing the part. If this video helped you understand how a washing machine water inlet valve works, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more appliance repair tips and explanations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.